The way we edit videos is changing. Not so long ago, I was still captioning my videos manually. It took hours. I even tried turning my videos into shorts, but that took days. Meanwhile, other editors are pumping out content in seconds, and that's when I realized I was falling behind. I knew I had to adapt. So today I'm showing you a powerful tool that helped me ditch the old way and completely changed how I edit. This tool is called Submagic, an AI-powered tool that simplifies video editing. It creates captivating shorts designed to save your time and boost your reach. There's a reason that huge companies are using it. It works really well. So this is your dashboard where you can find all your projects. You can generate captions and add B-roll to your videos, or you can use magic clips. This is Submagic's biggest update since release, and it helps you convert long-form clips into shorts. Here's how to use it. Click Magic Clips, and in here you can paste a YouTube link to a long-form video, or you can upload your files here. I created an introduction video for my company Creator Basics, so I'll paste that link in here. Select your video language and choose a clip duration. I just leave it at auto, that usually works best. Then click on Get Viral Clips, and in a few minutes, Submagic found the best short clips from your long-form video, and you can see them all here.
Ever since I was 11 years old, I was making tutorials on YouTube. I remember the first tutorial I ever made was about how to make Windows XP faster, you know, with the control panel and stuff like that. Yeah, 11 years old.
I mean, in just a few clicks, you can now upload 5 shorts, 5 reels, 5 TikToks, whatever. Oh, and it has automated captions and everything. By the way, you can also use the Get Clips Manually button. This will allow you to select your own preferred parts of your entire video. You can then create your own clips. When you're done, just hit Create Clip and there you go. I'll tell you more about the entire editor in a second. First, we're gonna customize one of the AI clips. You can completely customize your videos if you hover to them and click the scissor or the pencil icon. If you click the scissors, you will open up the Magic Clips revolutionary trimming system. On the left, you will see the entire video transcript you uploaded. On top, you can choose one of the chapters automatically detected. On the left, you can see the selection that Magic Clips AI made. You can even find it back highlighted if you scroll back in the left panel. Now, the next feature you're gonna love is the search feature. Let's say you have a very long podcast and you're looking for a specific word you said. Then you can just type it in, and then you can see exactly where you've talked about that word. Next, in your selection, I highly suggest you use the clean audio feature. That will remove the filler words like but you can also let it remove silences, which is crucial because on short form content, you want your cuts to be fast and snappy. Then of course, you can always click the reset button to go back to where you came from. If you want, you can also add cuts to your video manually. This is super simple. Just place the playhead wherever you need and hit the split button. Then trim it to your liking. And you can use shortcuts like Ctrl-Z to undo a certain action. Super awesome. By the way, the Safe Zone button is amazing as well. That way you can check if an element from your video overlaps with the TikTok or Instagram overlay. And if you want, you can change the aspect ratio of your video as well. For example, when you want to upload the same clips long form with amazing captions. Speaking of captions, this is where Submagic shines. If you go to the Captions tab, the first thing you can do is customize them. All of these presets look absolutely amazing. The Leon preset is probably my favorite, but I also love the Beast preset, which makes it look like Mr. Beast captions, of course. If you found your favorite captions, you can scroll down and customize them even more. Oh man, just imagine doing this in Premiere. Not possible. But I can already hear you guys. What if Submagic makes mistakes? Trust me, it's extremely accurate, but if it makes a mistake, you can go to the Captions tab and adjust it to your liking. You can even add emoticons, but it already does that automatically. Next, we're gonna take a look at the B-rolls panel. I swear, the longer you watch this video, the more your mind is gonna blow. Submagic AI allows you to use magic B-rolls. You can just click it and it will automatically find a stock clip from my favorite stock site, Storyblocks. I'm sure you guys already know them. I've been working with them for years.
Ever since I was 11 years old, I was making tutorials on YouTube. I remember the first tutorial I ever made.
By the way, you don't need a Storyblocks subscription if you have Submagic. Now you can also do this manually by clicking the plus icon. You can upload your own stuff or browse the premium videos from Storyblocks. Then just click on apply and boom. There you go. Next, you can of course completely customize your clip the way you want, like the position for example. Then just click on apply. If you click the magic zoom button, Submagic AI will add zoom animations to your video on the perfect spots. Now let's take a look at the boost panel. This will help you generate a hook title to make sure your audience continues watching. This title is then completely customizable, just like the rest. Don't worry about spending time creating a description or hashtags, Submagic got your back. If you need a cover image for your video to show on your profile grid, you can do that here. Just upload your own image or again, use one from Storyblocks. Then of course you can also add a logo or branding in just a few clicks. Music can be added as well. You can of course upload your own licensed music or again, find a track on Storyblocks. I almost always use Storyblocks for background music in my videos, so I guarantee you'll find something. Now, when you're done tweaking your video, you can press the export button. You can choose quality up to 4K resolution and then click export. When it's done, you can download your video and upload it to any platform you want.
Ever since I was 11 years old, I was making tutorials on YouTube. I remember the first tutorial I ever made was about how to make Windows XP faster, you know, with the control panel and stuff like that. Yeah, 11 years old. Then as I got older, I started making gaming videos and even iPhone repair tutorials. I did everything.
The description and transcript is also available right here. If you want, you can also go back and continue editing your video. Alright, let's go back to our dashboard because we still need to check out the generate captions feature. If you click it, you can drag and drop your video right here, just like with Magic Clips. Once you have it, click on generate captions and let Submagic do its thing. As you can see, Submagic now added beautiful captions and you can customize them exactly like you learned before. You can also go back and trim your clips if needed, clean audio and remove bad takes. You're gonna see a lot of shorts appearing on my Instagram and TikTok. I can't wait to finally grow my socials because I've been putting it off for way too long. If you've made it this far into the video, it means you're open to learning new, better and smarter ways to edit your videos. So to unlock Magic Clips, you'll need a Submagic subscription. Check out the link in the description down below. And don't forget to use the code PremierBasics for 10% off. Submagic, thank you so much for sponsoring this video and thank you guys for watching.